Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna go over my slalad earnings for 10 rigs, and as you can see my rewards recent are kind of up going to 12-13 cents, which is the highest I usually get by far, like and it's growing pretty well, like $9. So I forgot when I saw this kind of earning for quite a while. So it looks like it start pumping up to hopefully to get, see, like it was $8.76, $7, $8, the highest in the last months. And so the $9 here, it's the high reward kind of, because you could see the last hours, it's pretty much almost all of my machines are kind of doing something, right? So before I had a bunch of them just sitting doing nothing, but now I can tell just because my power consumption is up all the way, picking out to 2 kilowatts, which means that almost all of this are running. When it's dropping down to 400, 600, I know it's like maybe one machine running, but right now I know there is a majority of my rigs are mining. So I'm gonna go over that. And by the way, after I put this switch, I don't know if that helps or not. I don't think it helped too much for slalad, but it maybe I'm wrong, but I think it helped a lot to my internet. My Alexa start working properly, my other devices start working properly, just because I have this limiter here. I'm using this QoS limiter on this Mockerlinks switch. It's managed switch. If you are interested in that switch, go check my video. I posted the video how to set it up, how to connect, and all the settings through. So right now this is just showing which of the miners 2 through 8 ports using the internet, and you could see they're limited to 400 megabits. So they never one of the miner will never completely bump my internet. So there are 2 or 3 miners, when they run in together, they will go. But it's still not always happen. Like I don't have usually all the miners at the same time going crazy things. And that's for my 7 machines. And then the other 3, I installed the app, the NetLimiter app. So let's go over my 10 rigs real quick. And by the way, there is a new update 1.7.7 on the slalad just came out. I just noticed that when I was checking my rigs, probably just today, because I didn't see it yesterday. And it just pop up. I have all of my salads right now running in 1.7.6 version, and the latest, all of them updated to NVIDIA driver 56636. So I think it's still latest. I have to check it out, but I believe it is. So now let's go to the first miner, right? So we have number first running. Let's see what kind of job it's running. 6 to 13 cents. Wow, that's actually the highest I've seen for 3090 card. Let's see. Whoa, that's even higher reports than this chart here for solid demand, earn demand. So let's go to that rig. Maybe it's not completely accurate, but it's definitely working. Running some jobs, not fully running the memory or internet like usually, but it does something, right? So that's fine, it's running. I don't want to update it. So let's go to the next one. And my theory here, when the new updates usually come out, so this rig is running on the job. I don't see exactly what's the let's see if I can disable this settings. I can't do anything right there through, oops. Let's go back, turn, try to turn protection off. Yeah, doesn't work. Okay, wherever. Running the job, 5 to 10 cents on 4070 Ti card. That's also the highest I've seen on the 4070 Ti. So maybe that just simply rewards our app for some reason. 4070 Ti, where are you? Oh, it's not even on the high. It's usually up to 8 cents, so it is running like on the higher end there. So this one using, you could see 106 to 300, now 400 megabits. And my rig number 2 connected to port 3. And I'll show you in the real time here, my port 3. See, it's gonna go up all the way to 400 megabits up in front. So it's kind of easy to monitor with this managed switch to see where the highest demand and what's, you know, should I limit even more or not. So right now seems to be okay, working out okay. So I may need to create like 330 maybe, so 3 machine can fully, but I think 400 it's kind of working out because 2 machines can fully work at the same time, and probably 4 megabits, that's what I need. So let's go. So that's number 2. Number 3 is my 3080 Ti. Let's see if this machine even doing anything. Looks like it just restarted. So actively running. Okay. Running. Let's see, what is it doing? Yeah, there is no uploads. Using 24 gigabytes of RAM and a little bit of the VRAM. So yeah, doing some kind of job. I cannot see exactly how much of this stupid window update here. Let's see if I do that and it will disappear or not. Usually not. Okay. I can run this command probably and just look it up what it's actually doing. Let's do this. Control A, Control C, pretty simple setup, and we have $1.16, so not a lot, but doing something. All right, so let's go to the next one. So it's running. I don't want to update it either. Number 4 machine. Let's see, what is that doing? Running the job also 3 to 6 cents. Wow. Yeah, we're not gonna touch this. Using the full memory, 40 gigabytes of RAM and about, what is it using? 4 or 5 gigabytes of 10 of VRAM. Not much of the processor, and Ethernet not really much. See, so not all of them using internet a lot, but some of them even running the job sometimes, and it's okay. So this one is finding the job. All right, so let's since this one available, let's just do I'm gonna go to earn and click on the slalad here and download, and I'm gonna download the latest version here, which is, what is it right now, 1.7.7. all right, so we'll get that, update that, and we'll see if there's any difference. So what's with that version? How do we check here? What's the best performance? Load. Yeah, it doesn't give me what's new. It's only on the miners, only on the rigs that actually asking for update, even though it's running the job. So this one is finding the job, did not ask for update. One of the machines were like running the job but ask for update. Let's see if this is the one. It's number 8. Kinda weird. Okay, right there. So that's what's new. Update to 1.7.7 version added a new machine onboarding screen, which will show expected demand and earning information taken from our slalad network monitor. So let's update and see what happened to this new onboarding screen. Made improvements to the app so that it will use a minimum amount of VRAM. This is not the VRAM used by jobs. But it may help some machines where VRAM usage is found to be too high to run container jobs. Improve syncing of the container job status Fix the issue with the start chief status not presenting after or reinstall of the app. Chief stars status. Don't remember if I had that. Or number 3. What's going on? Which one was not doing? 4, 5. This one, right? So let's see. Did I just download it? Yeah. So let's install this. Let's see what's gonna change. I am already kind of excited to see what's the new stuff there on the Slalad, right? Okay, so we're installing 1.7.7 version. Let's see, hopefully we'll get something different there. Really want to see the status of the what's gonna be new there. Okay, connecting to Slalad. Okay, so let's start the Slalad here. Chop now. Okay, looking for hardware for the job compatible with your hardware. That's all the same. Estimation here. So what are they talking about? You know, I don't see a lot of difference here. Show looks, get help, settings, account. I don't know. Do you guys see any difference? 1.7. Now the version ID disappeared. I don't really like it. Ah, my goodness. So they have the ID on 1.76 had the minor ID, right? Integrated. What's going on with this 3? Wait. Why are these closing? Didn't close you. Why are you closing? 3. Okay, let's go back there. 4. So yeah, this is not good. This is not good. All right, let's see what was there before. Settings. Yeah, see, we have machine ID before, so now they erase this again. Slalad, you gotta fix this. It's not a good update. I don't like it. To be honest, I was a lot happier with the other one, even though I know ID of every machine, but it's, I mean, what are you doing? I mean, you're going back and forth, fixing stuff and not doing any better. So, I don't know. Well, I'm not gonna update any of the machines that running. So this is the rig 5. Obviously, I don't see any different status here. So I can't tell if it's better or not. So let's see. The VSL running. VMM not running. So obviously it's looking for a job. So the should be demand status. I don't see that. Well, maybe I'm missing something here. Okay, we'll see. Number 5, updated. So I go there, edit my machine, and I'll update this version so I don't have to go back. So this is gonna be my 1.7.7 machine updated. Let's check number 6 rig. Wait. Is this 5? Yeah. 6. Why do they keep on disconnecting? Have no clue. Something really happened with the remote desktop probably. On my end, 8, 9, 10. Every machine just disconnected for some reason. Did something with the network? Okay, number 4, running the job. I'm not gonna touch it. Number 5, we just updated. There is nothing new that I can see. I don't see any star. I'm not gonna do this, so I don't know what they fixed, to be honest. Have no clue. Do I need to restart computer? I restarted the Slalad. Okay. Number 6, number 7, 8, 9. What's up with the 9? Is it running? Asking to do, it's running the job, asking to update now. I'm not gonna do it. However, I'm gonna download it on every machine so it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna click on Slalad. I'm not gonna log in and download the latest version. And hopefully they'll come out with the fix before I need to install it, because I don't like it. There's no ID and nothing really changed. So we'll see, guys. I don't know. It's the, and there's number 10 running the job. Looks like, right? Yeah, 225 cents, 3080. Number 9 running the job. Number 8 running the job. And 7 finding the job, so I can update 7 as well. And I have number 6 probably running the job, but it's asking for update, but I can see it's actually running the job. So I only have 2 machines not running, everything else is running. Wow, that's the first time I've seen that. Have 8 out of 8 machines out of 10 running the Slalad. That's the highest I probably have seen, and therefore my power, went to 2,600. It's peaked. Yeah, obviously, because I was doing the remote desktop. So anyways, that's it for this video. Just want to shortly update. There is my Ethernet internet limiter works perfectly now, and my Slalad machine start working perfectly. My guess this really nothing has to do with the actual network switch, managed switch, but it's more because of this update. Everybody updating probably, and there's a higher demand when new update comes in. So anybody who updates it goes back in the line, and we get advantage and get all our miners, all our rigs in the queue. So yeah, I think that we've seen that before. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.